Welcome, here I've got Blackview A80 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the watermark option, so by using this button we can easily turn on the camera watermark and turn it off like that as we need. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture to see how the watermark look like at the real one. To see it, let's move to this button from the left. So here we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our picture. The watermark appears here in the left corner at the bottom. Let's get closer to it. And this is how it looks like. Blackview A80 Pro quad camera. Of course, when we don't need it, we can easily go back to the camera, then to the settings in the left corner, and use this button to turn it off. Now when we take another picture, the watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.